Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's interestingly, this is the first video so far in this channel. We'll be helping each other and enjoy the ride as we go through the difficult questions and the simple ones as well. As we know, mathematics is not hard, it's only the people who makes it hard. So let's enjoy the ride. And I will just request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we grow the channel and help others also to learn one or two things. This question is taken from the examination question papers, especially for those who will be sitting for the exams. And the question reads, given that the determinant of matrix A is equals to x minus 2, x 2, 1 is 4. A, find the value of x. B, write the inverse of the matrix A. Let's have our solution. Our solution there already written. Now, we have to know that for us to find the formula for finding the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, this is a 2 by 2 matrix because we have got 2 rows, 1, 2, and also 2 columns, which are 1, 2. So this is called 2 by 2 matrix. So these numbers here, this x minus 2 and this 1, okay, this is called a many diagonal, okay. This 2 and this x, this here, this is a minor what? Minor diagonal. So for us to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, we simply multiply the elements in a main diagonal. In this case, we have got x minus 2 and 1. Therefore, multiply x minus 2, multiply by what? By 1, okay? So we can put this in a mini bracket, okay? And then we subtract the minor diagonal, the values in the minor diagonal. In this case, we have got what? 2 and x. Therefore, we say minus 2 times what? X. Okay, put them in the brackets. And then is equals to, the determinant is given as what? As 4. Okay. So, let's go now. 1 times the whole lot of this, it still remain x minus what? Minus 2. Because we know 1 times x is what? Is x. 1 times negative 2 is what? Negative 2. So this remains like this. Minus there. 2 times x is what? That's 2x. Okay? Which is equals to 4 there. Okay? Now we do what? We group the like terms together. Let's group the like terms together. In this case, we have got what? X and the 2x. Okay? So we say x minus 2x minus 2 is equals to what? Is equals to 4. I hope we are following. And now x minus 2x is what? Negative x. Okay? Because this is the same as 1 minus 2, which is equals to negative 1. In this case, we have got variables as what? X and the negative 2x there. So x minus 2x is equals to negative x minus 2 is equals to 4. So minus x, this goes there, okay? It will be 4. When this negative 2 jumps the line, it will be what? Plus 2. Okay, so minus x is equals to 4 plus 2 is 6. So here we want to find the value of x, not the value of negative x. Therefore, we want to get rid of this negative by doing what? By dividing both sides by negative 1 here and negative 1 there as well. Okay, so that negative, the negatives goes, we have remained with what? X is equals to negative 6 divided by negative 1 is what? Negative 6. Okay, so that's our value for x. So already if it's any an exam, you already got your what? Your 2 marks there. Now let's go to B. This was A. Okay, so let's go to B. B, they're saying write the inverse of the matrix A. Okay, the formula for finding the inverse of the matrix is given as 1 over AD minus BC. Okay, then here I've got D, and here I've got B. I've got here we've got C. Okay, D, C. Here we have got B. Here I've got A. Okay, so this simply means we are finding the what? This is the adjoint. Okay, because this matrix was supposed to be A, B, C, D. All right, now we have exchanged or swapped the A and D, okay, from the main diagonal. Where there is D, you have put what? A. Where there is A, you have put what? D. But BC remains the same. Therefore, what we're going to do to this BC is by negating them, okay? We put the negative signs to the remaining B and C. These B and C, we only put in the negatives, okay? But for this A and D, we swap them. So if we had 2 here and 4 there, if we had 2 here and 4 there, which means this, instead of it being 2, it will be 4, and instead of it being 4, it will be 2. That's the concept here. So this AD minus BC, AD minus BC is the same as the determinant. Okay. Now from the question here, the determinant has been given as what? As 4. So we'll not stress too much on this because the determinant has already been what? Has already been given. Alright? So, first of all, from our question here, we have got letter what? X. And X we have been told as being what? As being negative X. So, let's substitute where there is X. Okay? So, we say it was like this, X minus 2, 2, X, 1. Okay? So, we say X is what? Negative 6. So, we say negative 6 minus 2, X is negative 6, 2, 1. Okay. So negative 6 minus 2 is what? Negative 8. Negative 6 remains 2, 1. So that is now our original what? Our original matrix in the form of A, B, C, D. Now we do what? We swap the main diagonals. Okay? We swap the main diagonals. First of all, this we said is what? Is a determinant. Okay? Is a determinant, which is the 4. So we say 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Then let's swap the what? The main diagonal. So this set of negative 8 to be 1. Okay? And this negative 8 will come where? Will come here. But for 2 and 6, negative 6, they will remain the what? They will remain the same, but we negate them. So 2, it will be what? Negative 2. Negative 6, when you negate it, it will be what? It will be positive 6. Alright? So we are good to go. So now we do what? You multiply whatever what is inside here by what? 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 times 1 is what? Is 1 over 4. 6 times 1 over 4 is what? 6 over 4. Okay? We close there. 1 over 4 times negative 2 is what? Negative 2 over 4. Negative 8 times 1 over 4 is what? Negative 8 over 4. So let's reduce some terms here to their lowest form, okay? So first of all, 1 over 4 still remain the same. We can't reduce this, it's already reduced. 6 over 2, we have got a number which can go into 4 and 6 without leaving what? Remainder. First of all, this is called what? Improper fraction. So we can't have got a heavy number on top and small one down. So let's change it to the what? To the mixed fraction, okay? 4 into 6 is what? It goes by 1, okay? Remainder what? Remainder 2 over 4. All right. Here, the factor which can go into negative 2 and 4 is what? Is negative 2 itself. Negative 2 into negative 2 is what? Is a negative 1, okay? And into 4 is what? Is 2, okay? So this one is reduced. So 4 in negative 8 goes by what? 2 times, which is negative what? 2. So as we can also see here, you can leave it like that, but as being a mathematician, don't leave it like that way. So you can write this question, this answer here for negative 1 over 2, and then 1, you reduce that. 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2, okay? Negative 2. So that is what? Our inverse. So we started from here, okay? We found the what? The value of x, which is what? Which is negative 6. And then we substitute negative 6 here, where there is x, for us to find the inverse. And this is the formula finding the inverse, 1 over AD minus BC. And then you swap the A and D, okay? D comes here, A there. And then B and C, you just do what? You just negate them, what we have done here. And then after substitution, we have arrived to this, which is there. Now, 1 over this, the whole lot of this means the what? This means the determinant, okay? This, which is 4. 1 over 4 multiplied by everything here. We have gotten this, and then we have reduced it to that. So that is our final answer. Thank you very much. Enjoy the videos as we continue uploading.